Alright, welcome back everyone. We got the second log up on the mill, pine log. This will be our last 8x8 beam we need. So let's see if we can get one more beam out of this one. This one's got some limbs sticking up on. We're going to go ahead and cut the limbs off. Let's see if we can can it up to an 8x8. Hope we can get by that little piece there. I think we're just barely skimmed that. And by the way, I deep barked this one too. Grab my gloves. Let's see what we got here. I figured this one would fold over. Almost. There we go. Go ahead and flip it. See what we got. And just a hair more. Let's see what we got now. There we go. There we got her. Like I said, all we're looking for is an 8x8 can. I'm not trying to save anything on these. I had a bug hit me in the eye a while ago. I think he put some juice in my eye. saw head back out of our road. Good shot, even if I say so. See how long this log is. I really need to clean it up perfect. I think I got enough here to do. I think it's 14 or something like that. Oh yeah. She's 14.8. We don't have to get the end real clean, so we're gonna cut the end off. So we're good. We got one more side to go, then we'll trim her down. Let's see what we got there now. We got 8 right there. So. We got plenty of room. Yeah, we could have took a little more off on this one. That don't want to break. Let's see if we can roll it. Let's see what we got here. I thought I had it locked down. Oh. Hope she didn't jump up. Nope. The launch was in. Thought I had her locked down, but I had some John Wayne on this side, so it slipped over it. That's all right. Get this one out of the road. Get this one back up on here. Ah. There we go. Get on that. Flip it one more time. Probably gonna flip it on the back side. Flip it one more time. We didn't get a good bite. There we go. Let's see what that is. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what's. We got 8 exactly there. We got 9 here, so we got to flip it one more time. There we go. All right. Cut this down to 8 1/8. Right there. All right, this will be our last cut. We got a little bit of John Wayne going on this one side, but it don't really matter. I'm gonna get up on it. There we go. Slide it out here so we can get our forks underneath of it. All right, that's our last 8x8 beam, what we needed. We needed 6 8x8 beams for this structure that we're putting over top the sawmill. So now we got them. Now I need 2 32-foot beams. That's going to be fun to cut. All right, stay tuned. We'll see what we get. We thank you and appreciate y'all watching the videos, and I hope you subscribe. Thank y'all.